cattails, which are excellent for lighting fire with a flint steel. You can use the inside of these as a tinder. And that's what you would use to catch a spark with your flint steel and then put in your bundle. Now we're going to collect up a couple of these and take these to the camp and save them for making fire. What you can also do is when you make pine pitch glue, use this as a fiber in the glue to strengthen the viscosity of the glue. So instead of using rabbit droppings or something similar, you could use some of these here. And as you see, but they're very messy, and that's why I tend not to use too much of this. It makes a big mess of everything, and it's really easy to get in your face, and it's not fun. But we're going to take a couple of these and do some experiments with it. And in a survival situation, it's really interesting. The cattails plant is actually edible, so that's something else to keep in mind. But I'm not saying go out and eat these. This is something that you can look up and do some research on. It'd be a good plant to identify when you're out looking for, in a survival situation, looking for food. And now the inside of these, once you peel off all the seeds, is actually like a small brush, which is actually very useful as well. They used to call these pipe cleaners because that's exactly what they look like. And you can actually make pitch sticks very nicely with the glue. Will wind up really nicely on top of these cattails, so you have like a glue stick and it'll stick really nicely onto this. And there's probably several of many other uses for this that I don't know about, but it's a neat little find here today on our little nature walk. We're going to go explore the Chaga forest, we call it, on the other side today. We haven't been out in that direction, on the other side of that bridge up there, and see what we could find. So let's go. We're being very careful, only taking these boogers, ones that are dripping down. Don't want to poke the tree. Collecting up some pine resin. We're going to be making some more glue, so we're going to need some more. So today we were out looking around and found plenty of trees like this here that have just, and it's frozen, so it comes off really easily.